Hey guys, I want you to take a real good look at this dual tire blowout. Now this is what you don't want to happen while you're barreling down the freeway in an 80,000 pound hunk of metal, also known as a tractor trailer, semi, or big rig at 4 o'clock in the morning. If you do find yourself in this situation, pull over immediately, call the tire guy, and let's see what tools he uses to get you back rolling again. In this instance, the tire guy used a 20-ton air hydraulic bottle jack to lift those tires off the ground. These guys can lift about 40,000 pounds. Then you want to get a good impact wrench with about a 600 to 610 pound torque to get those lug nuts off of those tires. Okay guys, those tires are pretty heavy, and I know you didn't catch it in the video, but he used a crowbar of sorts to lift the tire back onto the rim. Okay, so you see what it feels like to have a dual blowout on a truck, a big rig, a monster truck, while you're driving down the freeway in the middle of the night. And believe me, it's not a pretty sight and it's not safe at all. And if you happen to be driving behind a truck like that and you notice something wrong with the tire, or you see smoke coming out from the back of the truck or trailer, back off as quickly as you can or pass that truck as fast as you can, because there's no telling what can happen. Sometimes those tires can come flying off of the rim. Even worse, the rim and the tire can come flying off the axle while the trucker is driving down the road and cause havoc on the freeway. So you don't want that. And you truckers, you be safe out there. Okay guys, if you learned something about tires going flat on a big rig or a big rig trailer, if you learned something today about bottle jacks, if you learned something today about impact wrenches, and if you learned something today about how to change a tire on a big rig or a big rig trailer, hit that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.